In this next project, we are going to be building a Bluebird box and all the plans for it within Onshape. You're looking at right now a drawing file of a couple of the pieces we're going to start with. We'll start with the floor and the front piece. Looking at the assembly drawing, this is where we're going. We haven't done any work yet, so we're going to start the project right now. To start, you'll have to go into your Onshape account, and if you don't already have a Bluebird Box project, you can create one by creating a project, labeling it Bluebird Box. I'm going to label it video because I'm creating a video for this particular one. I'm going to press OK. And in my projects, it's going to be labeled Bluebird Box Video. I go into that, and now I can create a document. There's my first document, and I'm going to label this Bluebird Box. I press Create, and now I'm in my drawing screen. Once in the drawing screen, what I can do is start a sketch. I'm going to start, on this case, the top view, because I'm going to be drawing the front of that Bluebird box. Once I get into that top view, I'm going to use a rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw a rectangle with the dimensions of 4 inches by 5.5. All the material is made out of conventional 1x6 material, which only measures 5.5 inches. I can press the green check mark to be done with that extrusion, and then, sketch, and now I'm going to extrude. My thickness for all this material is 0.75, so I will select that and create the extrusion. Lastly, on this piece, I need to chamfer this file. So here goes. I'm going to chamfer. I'm going to set the chamfer distance to 0.5 if it's already not there. And then I'm going to zoom in on that corner, and it cuts my 45-degree chamfer, and it's a 1/2 inch from the edge in both directions. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to hit this green check mark. At the bottom of the page, this currently is labeled Part Studio 1. I'm going to right-click on this and rename that floor. Now I'm done with that particular part. From here, I need to go to this Insert New Element tool, and I need to create Part Studio. What that does is it gives me a new canvas to draw upon, and then I have Part Studio 1 again. What I'll do here is rename this the front piece, and I will start drawing the front. For this, I'm going to sketch on the front view, and I'm going to create a sketch that looks like this. Simple line command, start at the origin, and I'm going to click a line upward. Next point here is critical. Pay attention. Don't draw a line straight out. Draw a line that's got a slight angle to it. I'll show you why in a moment. Draw that shape, and let's start dimensioning this. We're going to dimension this at 3/4 of an inch. Represents the thickness of the material. And we are also going to dimension this at 9.375, the height of that front view. This gets kind of wonky, and it will correct itself while using the dimension tool to do the following. Watch closely. Left click, consecutive lines, and you can create your angle. In this case, it's 9 degrees right now. I want that to be 80 degrees, and it pitches way out. That looks real good. I'm just going to move this dimension more appropriately here and press the green check mark again. I now need to extrude this shape outward. I need to extrude it 5.5 inches. Press enter, and I can continue to move on. Next up, I can extrude. I don't want to extrude. I want to sketch on the front surface of the object. So I hit sketch. I'll do that again. Sketch. Select the front of that object. Look at the front of the object. Draw a circle. Left click. Left click. Left click. Dimension. This dimension should be 1.5. Notice how I selected the outside of the circle. 1.5, and that's a diameter-based dimension. Watch where I select for these dimensions. Bottom of the object to here, center point of that circle is supposed to be 6.5. Finally, here to center point, that is supposed to be 2.75, which centers the object. I finish the sketch. I'm going to rotate a little bit, go back to extrude, click the circle, go to the remove section, and elect to this drop-down menu. I'm going to go through all, and voila. That